Here I have Abby Cadabby One Hat Wonder yarn. I have an H8 hook or a 5.00 millimeter hook and my scissors. I am thinking of doing a scarf and a matching hat with the Abby Cadabby. I already have the hat done, but it's back there, so I will have to show it later. So here we are, taking the thing off. It does have the pattern inside for a knit hat. Knit. I don't knit, I crochet. You can get this yarn at Hobby Lobby. You only get 95 yards. And it is actually called the One Hat Wonder by Lion Brand. And the name of it is Abby Cadabby. So let's open this up if I can get my fingers to work. They just have elastic on the head. So I'm going to set the head aside for now. And hopefully be able to not pull out way too much. Got to get to the end of this here. Okay, I'm going to scoot that out of the way. Make my slip knot. Insert my hook. And I'm going to chain 22. You think that's big enough for a scarf? Let's go 5 more. Back to the second one, I'm going to do half double. Try and keep the chain straight. Yep, that was a double. That one was a double. When I made the hat, I was having issues doing singles, so everything became half doubles, and I want to do a matching scarf to go with the hat. So then I have another hat scarf set. So I am doing a half double across this whole row. I do have a video where it walks you through the half double. I'm working on building my videos. And it works out really good when there isn't such a mess of a coming out of the end of the yarn. When it pulls from the center pretty easily. And this is going to build its own pattern because of the way the pink and the yellow, the pink and the white and the purple are. So the next row could be different. So give me a minute and I will finish up this row. So hold on. All right, so here I am at the last couple stitches. So half double, chain one, turn, and you always have to look at it and see. Okay, it looks like it's going to be straight. If not, then I need to go into the second one over. So give me a second and let me do this row. Okay, so you're going to still work this pattern. Chain one, turn, and you will go into the first one on the next row and continue this pattern until you're closer to the end of the yarn, and then I will be back. So you're doing half doubles, chain one, turn for each row. And as you can see right here, it's row 3 and it's already starting to form its own pattern. Here is the Abby Cadabby hat. So we're going to have a matching set. Keep crocheting and I'll be back.